Hey there, happy fun day 145. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with our one thing a day, one fun thing every day this year in our 365 day fun challenge. Today is the second part of a two-part sayings day all about great ideas and how do you make your great ideas a reality. Our saying was, let me grab my magnifying glass here, ideas won't keep something, ideas won't keep, period. Something must be done about them. Alfred North Whitehead said this, and yesterday we talked about a great idea. We shared a great idea that we had yesterday. I had some great ideas yesterday, and I hope that you did too. Now today, how do you take that great idea? Our challenge says, how can I make my great idea a reality? And how do you do that? What can you do today to start making that great idea a reality? I have a trick that I use, and what I do is I have myself take one action, one step. I do one thing about that idea each and every day until it becomes a reality. So maybe you have an idea for a new toy or a new project or for a new campaign or for something fun that you can do with your kids or your grandkids, and you don't have all the things that you need to make it a reality. Just start gathering the things that you need to make it a reality. Do one small thing every day and watch how quickly your idea becomes real. Take care, have an awesome day. Share in the comments below what your idea is because maybe one of us can help you with it as well. Bye. Catch you tomorrow.